Travel, your in-flight manager, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all aboard this afternoon's flight to Milan. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all, and to welcome back our BA Club members and one more frequent flyers. May I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. They must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are switched on. When opening overhead lockers, please do take care as items may have moved and could fall out causing injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and these and other smoking devices are not permitted at any time whilst aboard. This does include the washrooms, which are fitted with smoke detectors. We're about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy